Hello students. So today we are going to discuss about the structure and pointers. So these are the contents which we are going to see under the chapter structure and pointers. So what is a structure? Already we have studied the part of arrays. We know that array is the collection of similar data types. If you're using the concept of arrays, then why there is need of structure? So we'll see the definition of structure. Structure is a user defined data type which allows us to store the different types of data values in structure variable. So advantage of using structures is array allows us to store the multiple values of same type in a variable, but structure allows to store the different types of values in a variable. uh, Records like data can be stored using a structure. So if we see here, the example is given. So this is the example of array of 6 integers. If I declare an array of 6 integer, I'm allowed to store 6 integer values, only 6 integer values, and they are having the indices starting from a of 0 1 up to 5. Whereas if I want to store the record of a student, then record of a student may have different fields such as roll number, name, age, gender, branch and class, and all of these are of different data types. That means the roll number may be of type integer, name may be of type string, age integer, gender may be again character. Likewise, in case of student record, I can uh, declare the variables of different data types. How to define a structure? The structure is defined using a keyword struct followed by the structure name and then the body of the structure. So this is the general syntax for declaring the structure. Struct is a keyword followed by structure name, opening curly brace. Inside opening and closing curly brace, I'm going to declare the structure members, and after closing curly brace, terminating semicolon. So this is the way we are going to declare the structure. Example, struct is a keyword, student is structure name, and in curly braces these are the structure members. So roll number is of type integer, name is a string, character array, name is a string, age is of type integer. So here I have declared 3 structure members, 2 of type integer, 1 is of type string, terminating semicolon. So these are some another examples of structure. Struct employee, it may have the structure members such as employee ID, name, department, mobile, salary. DOB, another structure, date of birth, it may have the structure members such as DD date, MM string, month, and YY is of type integer. Then defining nested structure. Structure may be defined using another structure as a member. So I can declare the structure using another structure as a member. So if you observe carefully here, I have declared the structure for employee. So struct is a keyword, employee is structure name, and inside that I have declared the structure members such as employee ID of type integer, employee name of type string, character array, employee salary of type integer, and then I have declared the variable, structure variable, as ADDR, address. ADDR is a structure variable, structure member for employee structure, but it may have another separate structure such as address. So struct address may again have the different structure members such as flat, area, city, pin code, and then date. Date may be again having date of birth, which may have the different structure members DDMM, YY. So structure may be defined, structure employee may be defined using another structure as a member. So this is called as nesting of a structure. Then how to declare a structure variable. See, there is a difference between the structure members and structure variable. So here I have declared the structure student. These are the structure members, roll number, name and age. These are the structure members. After declaring structure members, I'm going to declare the structure variable either inside main function or after the declaration of struct student, that is after the curly brace of this struct. So here inside main function I have declared two structure variables s1 and s2, s1 comma s2 for the structure student, struct student s1 comma s2. Then how to initialize the values to structure variables. So in previous slide I have declared the two structure variables s1 and s2. I can initialize the values to structure variables at compile time itself. So here for structure variable s1 I have initialized the value 3 comma abc comma 18, where 3 is the roll number, abc is a string of name and 18 is age. So these three values are assigned for structure variable s1. Similarly, three values are assigned for structure variable s2. So this is the way at compile time itself we can initialize the values to structure variables. Then how to copy one structure variable into another structure variable. If I want to copy the contents of one structure variable into another, simply inside the main function I can assign the value to the structure variable s1. So 3 abc 18, these are the roll number, name and age for the structure variable s1. Here I have declared one more structure variable s2, and simply I am going to copy the contents of s1 into s2. So s1 is the source and s2 is the destination. So from s1 I am going to copy the contents into s2. So if you observe over here, the contents of s1, all these are going to be copied inside s2, another structure variable s2. So this is the way we can copy the contents from one structure variable into another. Then the important part is how to access the structure members. So in this code I have declared one structure student. These are the structure members, roll number, name and age. Inside main function I have declared the structure variable as s, fine, and then the values are assigned to the structure variable by using dot operator. So structure members are always accessed using dot operator. And how the values are assigned? See, s dot roll number. So s is the structure variable dot structure member. S dot roll number is equal to suppose 102. strcpy string copy function is used. S dot name comma abc. So in this case abc is going to be copied inside name, s dot name, and s dot age is 18. And then simply with the help of printf function, with the help of dot operator, we can print the values as an output to the screen. So s dot roll number, s, where s is a structure variable, dot structure member. So this is the way we can access the structure members with the help of dot operator. Another code with the help of with the help of dot operator we can access the structure members. Array of structure. So why there is need of array of structure? If I want to pass more than one values as an argument to structure, I need to make use of array of structure. So see how the array of structure is declared. So this is the student structure, roll number, name and age. These are the structure members. And inside main function, in previous slide we have declared only one or two structure variables such as s1, s2. If the number of size goes on increasing, we need to declare it in array form. So this is s of 3. So in memory it will allocate the address space such as this: s of 0, 0th index, first index and second index. Then initialization of array of structure, like previous slide, we can initialize the values to array of structure at compile time or at runtime itself. Here the values are assigned at compile time itself. Similarly, accessing array of structure member, we can access the array of structure members by using the same dot operator. Only here we are using the concept of array of structure, so that's why we need to make use of for loop, and in by using the for loop s of I dot roll number. So again, structure variable dot structure member. So we are using the same dot operator, and with the help of dot operator we are accessing the members from array of structure. Passing structure variable to function. So we can pass the structure variable as an argument to function. So we know that in case of function program, it is having the three main parts: the function declaration, function call, and function definition. So here I have declared one structure student. These are the structure members. Then display is a function which accepts the argument as a function, a structure variable as a function. So struct student is passed as an argument to function, and void is return time. So it is of type with argument but no return value. So inside main function I have called this function display of s1 because the structure variable is declared as s1. Then it goes to the structure function definition, void display struct student s1, and inside this definition, with the help of dot operator, the values are printed, that is s1 dot roll number, s1 dot name, s1 dot age. So with the help of dot variable, the structure members are accessed, and I can pass the structure variable as an argument to function. Passing array of structure to function. So again it is the same as that of previous slide. Just you'll have to mention the name of array over here. You just have to mention the name of array, that is s. It is not required to mention the s of 5. Just you need to mention the name of the array. So this is regarding the part of structures. In the next video we are going to see the part of pointers. Thank you.